to fix no signal issue on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time, and restart phone. After restart phone, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode, turn off flight mode, turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity options. Scroll down and click on reset settings and click on reset setting. Enter your phone pin, click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on additional settings and click on developer option. Scroll down and click on media setting. You will see. Click on media DRM. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.